Cowork versus Claude Code. If a PM only had a little bit of time to learn one, which one should they choose and why?
This is not an alternative. I would start with Cowork because everything you will learn in Cowork will help you better understand code. I use the same repo from Cowork and from Claude Code. So for example, I already presented that, but once again, I can select this editor project. Maybe let's remove this one. And it has CLAUDE.md. It will see the same files. So this is CLAUDE.md that I presented in Visual Studio. It will see the same files, the same structure. So I can ask it to analyze tweets here in this interface. I can do it on my using Dispatch. I can do it in Web Cloud Session, and I can do it in Visual Studio. This is all connected to the same repo. I would start with Cowork because this interface is more simple. You don't have to get used to Explorer and Terminal. It's more user-friendly. You can see files. You can open those files directly here without plugins, without how to display Markdown or how to display HTML. If you see HTML here, you click HTML and it will show you HTML. And in Visual Studio, there are certain tricks that you must learn. So I would start with Cowork and just understanding how to work with agents, how to aggregate this knowledge, how to define your workflows. And then once you feel comfortable with Cowork, then add this terminal aspect. That, in my opinion, that this is more effective, should be more effective for many people than trying to learn cloud without experiencing Cowork before.
I've been building a lot of AI products lately. My job search OS has 16 different agents. My newsletter has a recommendation engine, and I kept running into the same problem. I'd ship something, it would work in my testing, and then I'd get messages from users saying it's hallucinating or picking the wrong tool. The issue wasn't the prompts or the tools, it was that I wasn't actually evaluating anything. I didn't have a way to see what my agent was actually doing step by step. Every tool call, every decision. That's where Arise comes in. Let me show you. I'm going to open Claude Code and install Arise with just one command. npx skills, add Arise AI, Arise skills, skill yes. Now Claude Code already knows how to instrument my agent. I tell it set up tracing to Arise and it automatically analyzes my code base, figures out where the LLM and tool calls are, and adds instrumentation automatically. Now I can see everything, every trace, every span, every decision. And more importantly, I can evaluate it. That's the shift. Trace what's happening, evaluate where it fails, then fix it. This trace right here, my resume feedback agent was supposed to pull the company's tech stack from the job posting, but instead it hallucinated that they use React when the posting said Python. But instead it hallucinated that they use React when the posting said Python. I never would have caught that without seeing the trace. And here's the part that blew my mind. I asked Claude Code to look at these traces and tell me what I should be evaluating. It came back with 4 eval criteria I hadn't written. Things like picking the right tool and staying grounded in the input. I wrote the evals, ran them, and found that my agent was making the same kind of mistake about 12% of the time. Claude pushed to fix, I reran the evals, and it dropped to under 2%. That whole loop, trace, evaluate, fix, took me about 20 minutes, and now it runs automatically. If you're building AI products and not evaluating them, you're shipping blind. Try Arise free at arise.com and get a year free, a $1,260 value with my bundle, Arise. Check it out. It's one of the top AI evals platforms used by all of the top AI teams for a reason. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.